Hi, I am Rutuja, and in this video we will learn what is AEM, that is Adobe Experience Manager. So to start with, we will learn what is AEM, why it is used. So AEM is content management system for web development which is also compatible on mobile devices. So AEM if we want to create websites with multiple pages in different languages with reusable features, AEM is very effective option. So AEM makes it easy to manage your marketing content and assets. So your assets can consist of different images, videos, documents and so on. So we have variety of features and functionalities here, and Adobe is adding more and more features with their latest releases. So we have the latest AEM as cloud service, and the last on-premise version is AEM 6.5. So in AEM as cloud service, like the other cloud-based solutions, we will minimize manual tasks and in configuration and infrastructure maintenance, and we achieve fast time to value solutions. So AEM works on three layers. One is OSGI, another is Java Content Repository, and the third is Apache Sling. So in the upcoming slides, we'll go in detail with each one of the layers. So this is the architectural stack diagram of AEM, which consists of Apache Sling, Java Content Repository, and OSGI. So we'll see each one of the layer in detail. So OSGI is Open Service Gateway Initiative. We'll see each one of the components in AEM, each one of the elements into OSGI. So components are small reusable units which can be dragged and dropped on the page in AEM. So bundles are modules containing Java classes and a metadata file which can be stopped, installed and started individually. OSGI is a Java framework for developing and deploying modular software programs and libraries. So OSGI application is a collection of those bundles that interact. Open OSGI is implemented by Apache Felix in AEM. So to access the OSGI console in AEM, we have this particular link. So I'll show each one of the layer how we can access into our local. So this is the local instance URL for AEM. So if we hit this URL, we'll go to the startup screen into AEM. So to open the OSGI, that is the bundle system console bundles, we'll go to the tools, then we'll go to the operations, and here is the web console. So I've opened it. So this is how the OSGI, that is the bundle console, looks like. We have different bundles. Most of them are out of the box bundles from AEM, and you can see that different modules that are the bundles are active, and you can stop, start or delete any bundle at any given time. So it is independent. Even if the other bundle is stopped, one bundle is active, that functionality works fine. So we'll see the other uh, layer, that is the JCR, that is the Java Content Repository. So JCR is a content repository API for Java. So CRX is an implementation of JCR in AEM. JCR is a way to access content bidirectionally on a granular level within a content repository. So that is a structured database in short. JCR stores the content in nodes and properties. So link to access the CRX is this. So basically Java content repository into AEM is CRX. So we will see how to access the CRX in our local. So we have this startup screen where we'll go to the general tools, general, and this is the CRXD line where we can edit our code anytime. So this is how it looks like. So these are the different nodes and these are the properties in the content repository. This is how the JCR or the CRX in AEM looks like. So now we'll go to the Apache Sling. So Apache Sling is a Sling is a web application framework based on REST API. So Sling maps the content path to the CRX repository. Any URL is resolved to a resource which then selects a script to render. So script resolution is defined for preference of scripts to render. So we will see how Apache Sling renders or maps the content in AEM. So if we go to any of the sample page, so to begin with, V-Retail is an out of the box content pages website that AEM has provided. So this is a sample page into AEM. So you can see it is rendered from this particular URL. So if we hit this URL into our CRX Lite like this, we will see that it is rendering like content, we retail, US, EN and about us. So content, we retail, US, EN and about us. So this is the node structure, and here if we see that this is the properties into AEM. So you can see that the JCR property primary type is page, and if we open this particular page, it will open that sample page that I showed you that time. So it is basically mapping the path to the repository. So this is about today's video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.